so I want to show you guys how to do an arts and crafts project. It's like a nature tree and involves a little bit of like a scavenger hunt. So let's get started. Okay guys, so you can guys go to your front yard, backyard, go on a neighborhood walk to get your plants and flowers, whatever you can for your nature tree. Pretty much right now we're gonna draw the tree trunk. It doesn't have to be perfect. I guess we all know all trees come in different shapes and forms, different materials and stuff. Okay, and now it's time to cut. Maybe you have trouble with just cutting paper or whatever, have someone to help you out. We're all just doing art here, and we all know that art it's not perfect. Everybody has their own style. And you can always try to make it more like better if you don't like how it came out the first time. Okay, now it's time to use your glue stick so we can go with the tree trunk to our peach. Just like this. And now we're just gonna put glue. You can do it however you want. You can start little by little, or you can do it just like me and start crazy.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture.
Now we have our flowers and leaves and stuff that we collected, and we can just start putting it everywhere. There's no specific way. Everybody has their own style. There's no pressure. I'll just do it to relax, you know. Helps out. And this is the final product, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it.